I was Samannath Small Step Strategy channel. So yesterday we thought that beer get in and dominantly get in, but if you see that even beer think that whatever they beat is not enough to the market, so that's what it's thinking. But we will see in the chart how what is the real thing happening. So before going to the video, today's tidbit: to be a winner in the market, you must act coolly and responsibly. So that is most important. So in this case, we have to take our cool captain Dhoni. We have to see. So whatever the kind of situation in the field, he doesn't show any his what is it, tension and all. He doesn't show that. He will calmly. He looks very calm and composed and take the decision. So that's why right decision he able to take. So similar thing we have to the similar fashion we have to see the market also. So we have to be like a cool captain in market. So if that we cultivate, definitely you and me will be definitely a winner in the market. Okay, so before going to the video, it's a disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever speaking I am here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Only that will lead you to be a good trader or good investor in the long run. Even it applies to me as well. Okay, yes, now we'll go to the video. So Nifty 104.8 is positive closure. So yesterday 300 plus 325, and today 104 point positive closure, 21,255. So very good number and a good comeback. So if you see the chart, the comeback we can realize that one. So before that, you will see that top gainer and losers. So have a pause of this video and have a glance, and again come back to the video. So now we will see the market statistic. So totally 2,602 stocks traded, in which 1,928 stock ended positively. Very good sign. And only 588 stocks closed negatively. So this is also very good sign. Only 86 stocks prices unchanged. So these two figure collectively saying that very good comeback. And 75 stock touch the upper circuit limit, 98 stock touch the lower circuit limit. Though this looks quite different, but this is very strong, it's very good. And at the same time, only 52 stock touch the 52-week high. So it was more than 100 in a couple of if you say last couple of trades, though it's 100 points is good number, but this number is not giving that much confident. 27 stock touch the 52-week low. But you will see the overall picture how the market looks. But this is a very good picture actually, very good factor or parameter to, you can say that. Okay, who is the best contributor today to the Nifty? This much positive closure. So if you see that the best positive contributor is HDFC Bank for almost 48 points, 47.94, and Reliance 26.12 points. So if you see this collectively, these two stock gave a 3/4 of contribution, almost 3/4 of contribution. So that's the power of heavyweight stocks. And if you see the downside, Axis Bank minus 8.07% points and Bajaj Finance minus 6.57 point negative contribution. So from this what we have to realize is again the power of heavyweights. Okay, now we will see the FIA data. So as usual, the FIA data doesn't come until this recording this video. But if you see the last yesterday's FIA purchase, they are selling actually net seller of minus 1,322 crores. But just minus 322 crore, it fell from the high 500 points, and the closure minus more than 300 point minus. Even though the DIA bought 4,750 crores. So this is very much contradicting. This two is very much contradicting. Think that if they are also the net seller, what would be the market yesterday, it will be bleeding. It would be bleeding, but so is a big number. In spite of this huge net buying yesterday, still the market fell. We will see today how what had happened. Tomorrow we will see this figure. So far the FI net buying is 27,775. So this was I said that this month end it will reach 35, but if you see, this is a quite big number. Let me see the subsequent sessions. So far DA net buying of 8,644 crores. So almost 50% only yesterday itself they made it in this figure. Okay, we'll see next session how it would be. Okay, now we will see the month-wise data for your reference. You can make a pause of this video, have a glance, and again come back to the chart. Now we will look at the chart. So the previous close was Nifty is 21,150 and the opening is 21,033, almost more than 100 point. It's a gap down, and further it is down to 20,976. So within 15 minutes that reached, but after the 9:30 on, we can say that it is a one side market. See the recovery from low to high, more than 300 points. It is gave a good recovery. There is no sign of pullback or going back, touching this again morning low. There is no sign. It's a clear one side market. And if you see Bank Nifty, that also very much similar. So the previous close is 47,445. The opening is 47,172. So more than 200 points as a gap down. From there it started rallying. From the low, if you see 46,919, the highest 47,932. So more than 1,000 points it has gave the recovery. So that is the kind of guts or potential. It shows that still I have the guts. I am not lose my strength. That's what Nifty and Bank Nifty shows the moment. Okay, now we will see the max span, then we will come back to the trend. So the max span, if you see the Nifty max span at 21,100 and Bank Nifty max span is 47,600. The open interest data, this is Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty highest put open interest is 47,000. The second highest is 48,000. So it clearly indicates that the 47 is higher. So in this month expiry, it won't come back below 47,000. This is what today's open interest is indicating us. And one more thing we have to remember, say the next highest open interest at 48,000. So now the market is below 48,000. We saw that max span is 47,600. So it seems that if the market closes here, this all will become in the money. So they doesn't like that. So either they will close this position, or the Bank Nifty may go higher above this 48,000 and above it will travel. So that's what the open interest showing us. Now we will see Nifty. So the highest open interest, call open interest at 22,000, highest open interest at put side is 21,000. So it seems that in the expiry the Nifty doesn't go below 21,000. So 300 points away from here almost, and we saw that 2100 is the max span. So possibly it may go further higher side. That's what it looks. Let us see what happened. So yesterday even I made that bank open interest we cannot 100% we cannot rely. We have to take the reference. There is no deviation from that opinion. But by seeing the time duration, only 4 trading sessions are there, and see the huge gap of this open call and put open interest. So based on that, if the market probably it close near to 21,300, that's what it looks. Let me see how it closes. Now we'll see the trend. So if you see the Nifty, we'll change it to the day chart. See, almost 50% this candle, it covered that candle. So it's it is not that the dead cat bounce seems, because 300 points from the low it has recovered. So if it is some 50 points or 75 points, you can say it's a dead cat bounce like. But the rally is 300 points from the low. So that seems that it's showing its potential, or showing its guts. So that's what we have to take. But anyway, the 21,000 would be the immediate support for the Nifty. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, the immediate support is 47,000. A similar pattern. So compared to Nifty, it crosses that previous candle midpoint. So that shows it's a very strong guts to go further. So this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we will see the mid and small cap 400 index. Yeah. See, similarly like Nifty is a very good candle size. To 235 point it's recovered. So it's also very good sign. It's showing that still it desires to go in the higher side. And if you see the micro cap index, 381 points recovered. See the candle pattern. So it seems that market still is not completely lost its momentum. Only the time testing like yesterday, it looks market still has the guts to go further. Let me see the US market yesterday how it performed. So similar to our market, a good number of fall. You can see Dow 475 points down, and S&P 570 points, and the Nasdaq 225 points. So by the time of recording this video, the UK market, the fall is quite considerable fall we can say, and even Euro market also. But our market closed positively. So yesterday it was contradicted, and today our market is positive, and these two markets are the negative. Let me see how the US market today. If the US market recovers like our Nifty, both our market will be in the track, we can say, come back to the track. But if US closes again downside like this number, then we have to be worried. So then we can take the Nifty and Bank Nifty as a dead cat bounce, not the comeback we can see. Okay, now we'll see the chart. So if you see the yesterday Dow chart, similar to our market, last 2 hours they made it complete fall. Almost Nifty also yesterday after 12:45, nearly 1 o'clock it started. Within the 2.5 hours they showed their downside pullback. So similarly it happened. Even S&P 500 also looks the same thing. Now we will see, this is the day chart. Now we will see the day, this is the 1 hour chart. Now we will see the day chart. So if you see the day chart, Dow still has the good strong showing the strength. There is no strong negativity here. Even there is no slight negativity, but still the market shows that its potential to go higher side. Even S&P 500 also looks the same thing. Let me see, today's US market closure is quite important. Yesterday I said it is a crucial. The same way it has closed like our market. Now we will see how the US market closes today. Okay, see you in next video. I hope this video was very much informative and useful to you. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.